Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to share my next project with you. I'll be creating a brand new CNC drawing using Autocad. Here's how it's going to work. First, I'll start by tracing the pattern in Autocad to create a precise design. Once that's done, I'll import the design into Asphire, or I'll prepare it for CNC cutting. Finally, I'll generate the G-code and get everything ready for the CNC machine. This project is going to be a lot of fun, and I can't wait to show you the entire process step by step. So, let's dive right in and get started. Firstly, I'm going to trace the pattern in Autocad to create a precise and detailed design. Now I want to rescale it into required size. Alright, guys. Now that tracing the pattern and scaling it to the required size is done, let's move on to Asphire programming. Let's see how it goes. Alright, guys. I've imported the DXF file into Asphire. Now, I want to select the inner circle for CNC cutting. Here, I'm selecting a 6mm ball nose end mill. Next, I'll set the profile for routing with a depth of 6mm. Once that's done, I'll generate the program. Let's take a look at the final CNC toolpath review.